So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your account name in Windows 10. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is get over to your control panel and open it, and then make sure the view by is set to category. Now just click on change account type, and then just click on your account, and here you'll see a button saying change the account name. Just click on that, and then you can add your name and enter your name, and then just save it, and it will completely change your account's name. So yeah, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.